Hey y'all, I'm out here today working in the garden and I wanted to show you how easy it is to root Confederate Rose Hibiscus from a cutting and how easy it is to plant it and get it started in the ground. It's probably one of the easiest plants I've ever grown and it's very pretty. The only negative I've found about Confederate Rose Hibiscus is that it loses all of its leaves in the winter. So, there's no winter interest there. Other than that, it's a beautiful plant and it's very easy to grow. Let me show you what I have. So this is a bucket under the pergola here. Look at that blue sky. So pretty. Sun is over here. Pergola's doing its job. So anyway, I have this bucket and I had to cut parts of this Confederate Rose Hibiscus here, which is really tall, so that we could build the pergola because these branches were in the way. So some of the smaller ones that were about the size of my finger or smaller, I took those and I took most of the leaves off and I put them in this bucket of water to wait until they got roots. And now that they're getting roots, I can put them into the ground. This one has a lot more roots. Okay, so that was part one, and that was very simple. So now, let's take one of these. This is about 2 feet long. What is this? They've got a little friend on there. So we're going to take this over here to where I want to put it. I'm not going to do anything special. I'm just going to pick a spot, dig a little hole, and stick it in the ground with no amendments to the soil whatsoever. Going to put back the dirt that I dug up. See how moist this soil is? It stays pretty moist over here because of my washing machine draining out over here, and these love moist soil that drains well, so it should do really well over here. And there you go. That's all there is to growing a Confederate Rose Hibiscus from a cutting. I'll just make sure it stays well watered for the next few months. And this should get, and this should get 10 to 15 feet tall like some of my other ones. And I put some stones around it so Tommy won't think it's just a weed growing there. Where the tires are here is where my washing machine empties out. Normally these elephant ears are a lot bigger and you can't really see those. I put those there so no one steps in it. You can see the pipe there, I think. Can you see it in the dark? Barely. Anyway, it's early yet for the elephant ears. But this is going to add some more structure over here next to the goldfish pond. Should look really pretty come October. And now I just need to find a place for the rest of these cuttings. It really is that easy. I'll keep you guys updated on its progress. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.